All right, y'all. So today we got a special for you guys, man. We got that big old Glock, man. Do a little unboxing for you. She's a beauty. We got a Glock 22 Gen 4. That big old 40 cal. So fortunately California compliant, so we only down to 10 round max. But I got a clip coming from Goodland Guns. Shout out to them. You know, got an extra clip. Comes with the lock that nobody ever uses. Got a cleaning tool. It's pretty nice. Man, this thing is a beauty. We're gonna be doing some upgrades, man, on this, so y'all stay tuned. All the bull crap that nobody reads. Safety stuff. Straight from Glock. Yeah, man. It's one of the last Glocks in California ever to be sold. Y'all stay tuned for a bid out, man. And y'all remember, stay safe, stay trigger blessed.